मुझे कुछ दिनों पहले एक अवार्ड मिला और मैं गई थी इस अवार्ड फंक्शन में अवार्ड एक्सेप्ट करने को। मैं बहुत कम अवार्ड फंक्शंस में जाती हूँ क्योंकि ज़्यादातर अवार्ड फंक्शन सारे पेड होते हैं, दैट यू पे एंड देन वी विल गिव यू दिस अवार्ड। आप जो चाहे वो वाला अवार्ड देंगे, आप बोलो आपको कौन सा अवार्ड चाहिए, आपको बेस्ट ये इन द यूनिवर्स चाहिए तो भी हम दे देंगे। इट्स अ बेसिक फाइनेंशियल स्कैम. So I go to very, very few award functions and I definitely do not pay for any awards. But there were a lot of other people over there also who were getting these awards. I had very mixed feelings about how I felt in that event. First of all, I felt like I definitely don't belong here. I was very out of place. The audience is going to hate me if I mean, I can say it honestly because I'm on YouTube. I would not possibly put this on Instagram, but I was quite appalled by the way some women were dressed. I was quite appalled by the way some men were behaving. The only thing you can see in all of that is pure attention seeking. Pure attention seeking. Sure, we all like attention. You're getting an award itself is you receiving attention. But this is almost like you are inviting wrong kind of attention to come your way. And then you will complain about it when it comes. Sorry, you have to bear with the mixy sound. I'm in my house. There was this child, 6-7-year-old, who received an award for being a content creator and something. And this child was behaving like a 25-year-old, talking like a 25-year-old, walking like a 25-year-old, in a very, yo bro, I love you bro, बड़ा मज़ा आया आपके साथ काम करके, क्या बात है, this tiny little thing. Innocence is robbed, cuteness is robbed, wearing sunglasses, I love children. But there was no child in this 7-year-old. I felt terrible at that point of time. I felt so bad. I'm like, what am I seeing? You can't get angry at the child. That attitude is not an attitude a 7-year-old should have. That body language is not body language a 7-year-old should have. I was being angry at the parents, like, what are you doing? What did you do? Sometimes parents make a career out of a child's innocence because you feel like you've got this trophy child and you ruin him or you ruin her. जब तक बच्चा क्यूट है तब तक चांसेस और पॉसिबिलिटी है कि आपको उसमें से आप पैसा बनाएंगे, आप फेमस हो जाएंगे, एक आध गाड़ी भी खरीद लेंगे, आपको प्राइड महसूस होगी, मेरा बच्चा. यार ये बच्चा हमेशा क्यूट नहीं रहने वाला. फिर क्या? फिर इस बच्चे का क्या? आप the kind of depression that a child can go into if they are used to receiving that level of praise and 4 million followers and 5 million followers and पता नहीं उसमें से आधा कितना सच है कितना फेक है. एक दिन जब इसको ये अटेंशन नहीं मिलेगा तब क्या होगा इस बच्चे का? कैसे अपने आप को मिरर में देखेगा? कितनी डेस्परेशन से वो ही फेम ढूंढने की कोशिश करेगा? क्या क्या गलत चीजें करेगा वही फेम पाने के लिए? Have you ever thought about that? And if you haven't, it's high time that you do, because it's very important for a child to entirely live their childhood. There will be a different phase where they will live an adolescence phase, and they will live their adulthood. But just think 100 times before you make your little child, a 7-year-old child, dance like an 18-year-old, a 6-year-old child behave like a 25-year-old. It's the most unhealthiest thing you could do for your own children. It is the most selfish act on the part of parents or family. Sure, it's cute for the time being, but it could be disastrous in the long run. Please, don't drop your children off their childhood. Please.